everyone, welcome to Janny's kitchen. Today I will be making fruit dip. Let's get started. What you will need is 13 ounces of marshmallow cream, 8 ounces of original cream cheese, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I already have the marshmallow cream and the cream cheese in the bowl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend them together until smooth. So I'm going to start blending them with low and you need to do is keep blending them until they all blend together. Make sure your electric mixer is in low, the speed is low. So you will be keep mixing until the consistency is very smooth, just like this. So it's all well blend. So once that's done, you're going to put in the lemon juice. About 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then make sure your electric blender is on low. So pretty much you mix it until it well blend. Okay, so here's your dipping sauce. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna show you. So what I have here is blueberry and apple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut the apple. Just slice it like this, like thin slice. Okay. There you go. And then you you're going to put a little bit of. Okay, so now let's taste the fruit dip. So I got the fruit dip. I know this is a lot. And then an apple. This is very good. This. I really like this fruit dip a lot. So delicious. Alright guys, this is it. This is how you make fruit dip. I hope you enjoy. And please subscribe, click the like button, and also click the notification button. So this way you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.